Welcome you all for this online class on update regarding Medways LMS. We all going through all these things and we need to update ourselves, like older guidelines are different, then new guidelines are different. So we need to update. And about why Medways. First, it is easy login process, user friendly. You need Chrome or any internet URL to open it. There is nothing on App Store. Don't try to search on App Stores. Can accommodate up to 200 students at a given point of time in a virtual classroom. Multiple users can use it at the same time. That's benefit. Different teachers can take the class at the same time according to their own ease. Recording is uploaded in their Medways LMS cloud and can be made available to the students easily. Recommended by RGHS. It is right now free, so it is cost effective. Any number of staff can be made as an educator and start conducting the online classes on their own. Audio visual quality, video quality is good with minimal buffering and lag. Can be used by mobile phone, laptop, and desktop. We had issues with Zoom and other app where there was difficulty in uh, uploading the presentation on mobile phone. In this app, you can upload your own presentation through mobile phone also. You don't need a laptop or something like that. One smartphone is enough to take the class. Runs on Android, iOS, Windows, MacBook platform. That is very handy. Everyone can use Apple and Windows and Android phone users. Better user comfort and ease than other video conferencing apps. These are some of the points which I felt are advantageous to this Medways LMS. This is how it looks. This slide is important. The extreme upside, uh, the we will send this link to you, Medways LMS link through WhatsApp. So once this link is seen on your WhatsApp, you need to click HPTT class 2 Medways in. Okay. Once this is clicked, I have sent you the link to WhatsApp. I think around 4 days or 5 days back. So you need to click on this link. Once you click on this link, this page appears on your mobile phone, okay, where it says sign in and sign up. My cursor is visible on Zoom. Ah, so fair enough. So sign in and sign up is visible. I recommend you, the app recommends, the platform recommends you to sign up first, okay. You need to sign up. When you click sign up, this opens, create an account, where you need to write your name, like Dr. Alok Ghanate or Sharan Jot Kaur or whatever. Then you need to enter your email, Google email or Yahoo mail or whatever it is. Enter the password of your own choice. Uh, the password confirmation can be done over here below. Once you enter the details over here, then you click sign up. Once you sign up, this page appears. Like my postgraduate did the sign up last time when we asked her to do that. So it appears at Sharan Jot. The name appears over here. Here, enter the room, go to the room, and these all things. Okay. Now, next, what you need to do is log out, take back, and sign out. Or rather than sign out, you can close the app platform completely. Okay. Once you sign up, I will be seeing means whoever is the administrator, like Avanti sir, me are the administrator, which are created by the Medways platform. So we will be seeing the names like this. Here is a student who has signed up as user. Initially, when you sign up, we will be seeing you as a user. We will be making you as an educator, like Dr. Rajesh Patil S. We made him as an educator. Sharan Jot, my postgraduate, she'll be taking, she will be presenting her seminars using this app. Recently, we conducted a seminar, PG activity on this. We have a recording of it. We can send it to you later. So we make them as educator. Once I make you as educator, you need to sign in again. Okay. Once you did a sign up, I made you educator, you will sign in. Once you sign in, it looks like this. Home room appears, 0 sessions you have taken, 0 room recording. And this is very important. This URL link appears over here. You need to click on this copy. Okay. Once you click on this copy, it will be copied on your phone, which you need to paste on the WhatsApp group. Okay. You paste it mentioning the time at this to this time. Our class will be on this date. Kindly click on this link. Okay. And ask the student to join 15 minutes prior to the class. This is important over here. This is separate for each educator. So all the staff will have their own link to take the classes. So for the same reason I told anyone, any number of educator can take classes at a given point of time. Before copying the link, you just go down a bit below start, you'll be seeing homeroom. You click on this icon over here, 3 buttons, 3 dots. Once you click, enter the room settings. Okay. Once you enter the room setting, you will see this on your mobile phone. Okay. I recommend you to change this name, like psychiatry PG classes or anatomy classes by Dr. Archana, or psychiatry, MRMC psychiatry class by Dr. Alok. Whatever is there, you change it over here. Okay. My postgraduate made it psychiatry PG classes. Other things you don't touch anything. Mute users when they join, that you click it on. Others make it off only. Update the room, you just click on the update. Once you update, this appears. Room settings successfully updated, where you see psychiatric PG classes, 0 session, 0 recording. Now you click copy and send on WhatsApp. Once you send this on WhatsApp, you need to, once you reach the timing when you are supposed to take the class, you click on this start icon, okay, on your mobile phone or laptop. Once you click start, this appears on your phone. Okay. Here you need to click on microphone, as you have to talk and listen. Don't click listen only. When you click microphone, you will be able to see this connecting to echo test. You just say 1, 2, 3 testing or whatever you want. Your voice will echo. Okay. Once the voice echoes, this is a private echo test. Speak a few words. Did you hear audio? Click yes if you hear audio. Once you click yes, you will go to this LMS platform. Okay. This is the page, basic page, which you see, where you have psychiatry PG classes upstairs, or your name over here, start recording, your joined audio conference. This is the basic page you see for slides, plus icon, mute, unmute, caller, and then video. Okay. Now you need to click on plus icon, because you need to upload the presentation PPTs. Once you click on plus icon, you will go to this window. This page will open up in your mobile. Here there is something called a start a poll, upload presentation, share an external video. You click on upload presentation. Once you click on upload presentation, you'll be seeing this. Here bottom, drag images here to upload. If you want to send an image, drag files here to upload. Click on this, because PPT is a file. You need to click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, it appears like this on your mobile phone. Capture image, camcorder, voice recorder, files. Click on files. This is my Samsung phone, which I did. In your phone, it may appear different. You need to go to the files option of your phone. Okay. Once you click on the file option, this page opens up. Here you have images, audio, videos, whatever appears. I clicked on documents. Here I had a presentation which I did recently for Al Badr Dental College. I clicked on Al Badr presentation PPTX. Once I click on this, this page appears, where the second line, first there was a default which was there earlier in my mobile phone. The second one, Albada presentation to be uploaded, it appears. Okay. Once it appears to be uploaded, you click on upload over here. Okay. Once you click upload over here, the presentation starts uploading 45%, 50%, it becomes 100%. Once it is 100% uploaded, it will start sharing on the screen. This appears on your mobile phone and which will be visible to your students who have joined as a user. Once this appears, you need to record the session, start recording. Okay. Once you click on this, here you will be seeing recording started. Okay. You can unmute yourself and click on the video webcam. For the video webcam, once you click, this appears your front facing camera along with medium quality, HD quality, whatever you want to click. Then click on start sharing button. Once you start sharing, your video will appear on the top and the presentation on the bottom. You can start talking. Okay. Once this is done, in between the class, you have to take an attendance. This is a unique feature of this. Attendance is taken at ease. We need not take screenshots. You can just save it. You click on this icon of a person over here. MRMC Psychiatry, that's what the room I created, home room. Here there is a button. You need to click on this. Once you click on this, this appears. Public chat, share notes if you want to do. Users, I was the only user available over here. No students were joined at that moment. Over here, there is a setting kind of a icon over here, round circle. Once you click on this, this appears. Turn off meeting mute, save user names. You remember that save user names means you are taking attendance. Once you find the students have joined in time, you can give 5 to 10 minutes of grace for them to join. At 12 o'clock class, you can take attendance at 12:10. Username are saved. That means this is your attendance, okay, which will be saved on your mobile phone, which you can send it to your clerk. He will take or mention it on the whatever the attendance register you have. So this is how the class goes on. Okay. Now there are other features over here. On the screen, you have the upper one. You have a pencil or a diagrams or a text. You can do that. You can use a pencil so that you can mark or something like that. And the second thing which I want to tell you is, in this Medwiz LMS, you can have an interactive class with the student. That means you can start a poll. In between the class, you can ask question to the student and ask their response so that they will be much more attentive in the class. We never know, the student has left the room with keeping the mobile on. Actually, he's not listening to the video or the class, whatever virtually we are taking. So you click on this again icon where you will get start poll. Once you click on start poll, you will get a polling option where I did a poll on my postgraduate student where I asked a question: is schizophrenia seen in old age people commonly? So the answer, earlier answers wherever stored are true and false. Okay, the response which I got from my postgraduate is true. Okay, how does it look on students web page? This was been seen on the students web page polling options. You ask the question, the students will get the option of true or false or something like that. They will click on either of these two. Once they click, it appears 100% student, only one student was giving the answer, so 100% student gave true answer. So that means this app is more helpful in creating interactive class, so that you can just check on the student whether he is really giving the answers. Okay. Now, once this is done, you need to click on this icon when your class is over or you want to end the class. 3 dots on the front page on the extreme right, if you click on this, make full screen, setting, about, help, it comes up. Uh, you you just click on the settings. You get application and data saving. Animation, keep it on. Other than that, you don't do anything. Data saving is always on. Okay. And if you want to end the class, you click end meeting, or if you want to leave the class, you click log out. Okay. Once you log out, it will take some time for them to upload in their cloud and make it available for you. Immediately the recorded version will not be uploaded, so it may take an hour, or maybe 4 or 5 hours, or maybe a day. uh, in your web screen, once you log in as an educator, you'll be seeing these many classes were recorded. Like for example, Dr. Borama ji has taken a class which has been recorded for 45 minutes. Mandible class taken by the anatomy people, which has been recorded. Homeroom. This appears as homeroom because you have not changed the room setting. It may be anatomy, physiology, or something like that. You please change this at the earliest who has taken the class. MRMC psychiatry, I had taken a class over here just for a demo part. Less than 1 minute class was been there. So what I can do over here is click on 3 dots over here on the extreme right, email the recorded version to yourself. You put the email to yourself, and once you receive the email, the link is there. You post it in the WhatsApp group of your batch so that they can see it later on. This is about Medwiz app, a Medwiz LMS platform. I feel I'm very much clear for you all. If any glitches or any problem is there, we are here to help you out, and we are very much for our staff and the students. What disadvantages I felt which really hinders us to use this? First and foremost, new app again. Something new is always difficult. When for me only, when my IT coordinator and Dean sir told that let us start with Medwiz because RJHS is recommending it, I told Dean sir and our Avanti sir that, sir, ಹೊಸ app ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಯಾಕೆ? So why should I start learning and teaching others? And for me also, it is really difficult for learn also. So for that reason, new app again, always it is a bit clutter. Why to change our own routine? But when I started using it for the good, I felt that this is one of the best platform to teach student, and it is one of the best for us to understand advantages out of it. And believe me, I have taken 3 classes on this, 2 postgraduate and 1 undergraduate class. They all are very good. Students think what they told, information, whatever feedback they have given is really good. I personally recommend this above all Cisco WebEx or Zoom or free conference or any other app. The second thing I wanted to make you very clear is there is an audio issue with this LMS app. Whenever a student or someone logs in, and if I get a call in between, okay, then our audio sound automatically reduces once I disconnect the phone call. What I suggest you is go back, join the link again. Your voice will be much more clear. Their voice will be much more clearly heard to you. What happens? The speaker converts to the headphones, low volume audio. So the speaker audio need to be changed. The thing what we did in our postgraduate class, we rejoined, logged out and rejoined. The audio issue was resolved. PPT slide changing get stuck at times. I had an issue during the undergraduate class. I had a more number of PPTs, like almost 100 plus PPTs on that, probably more amount of data and background. Some of the apps were running on my laptop. Probably my slide changing got stuck. That may not happen with you all. Scheduling need to be done by us, not as comfortable as Zoom app. You need to click on the URL, copy it, and send in the group and write it down. The online class for ENT or Ophthal on this topic at this time will be there. You need to log in by this link. Okay, you need to mention that. Zoom used to do it on its own by schedule meeting. this needs to be written by us. Apart from Chrome browser, one of my postgraduate used some other browser like Moxiflox or some other browsers apart from Chrome. She had some issues with audio and video. So I thought that Chrome browser is ideal for this platform to run. Use it on Chrome browser. With this few words, I would like to end today's session on Medwiz LMS. I know many people had difficulty in joining it. We are ready to take the questions. If anything is there, you please let us know. Thank you, one and all. Please raise hand. You can just ask question to me, Avanti sir, and Dean sir is over here. He's always motivating all of us for these new things. I have unmuted you all. I think I will mute you all. I have muted you all. You can unmute yourself and ask the questions. Look, this is for us to learn, and in the benefit of student, we have to go ahead with this app. And believe me, it's a good platform to teach the students. Any questions, please? Or any comments you want to make? We have almost 40 participants now in the group.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Aditya. Tell me, what's your...
Dr. Borama, madam has some doubts, sir. She is going to speak.
Yeah, please go ahead and ask your doubts.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Yes.
Yesterday I had taken class. Slides were stuck in between. Just after second slide, no other slides were focused.
Okay.
Why it could be?
Good enough. That's a good feedback from you, because I faced a problem while changing slide. As I told, my background apps were running, and I had a huge file PPT, almost 120 plus slides were there. Probably that was the issue. It got stuck. And if you people are not facing that issue, we are really thankful for you all to use it at the earliest before this sensitization program, and giving us a feedback so that it may benefit every one of us. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. So it could be because of more slides I had a problem, or why?
Probably because of the more slides, one, and background activity, like your Chrome is open or your other apps are open on your laptop. Probably that slows the speed of processing. And the
Yeah,
third
so
thing,
it
or
was also slow.
internet speed also will play a role. If the internet is not having a good speed, what you are on, probably it gets stuck. If it is getting stuck, I recommend you to log out and log in again. Don't click end meeting, log out and log in again. You will log in the same room. Okay, it's not that you have to create another ID. The ID for each educator will remain the same. It won't change.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other comments and any other questions? Please go ahead. Okay, then we will end the session today. Closing comments from Dean sir. A few words from him.
So the session has ended now, and I think there are many doubts and ideas may crop up in your mind, and don't hesitate to contact our Dr. Alok Ghanate so that he can clarify you. Initially, you may feel little difficulty in starting the process. I think once you are in the rollout, you may not find anything. And please be in touch with Alok Ghanate at every step so that he can guide you to the proper presentation, and students by and large gets benefited. Thank you. Thank you for having a patient listening.
Okay, thank you one and all. ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ आ रहा है क्या देखो क्रोम आ रहा है ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ क्रोम आ रहा है okay just a minute before everyone logs out I can just show you how it looks on Chrome. Okay, this is one thing I would like to show you all. Like Chrome minimize. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು ಇದಾ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳು ಇದಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಇದಾ okay on Chrome when you open you see med WHIZ. Okay, Medwiz LMS. Okay, so when you click this, this appears on the Chrome. I think it's visible to you all. Okay, so this appears on Chrome, but I recommend you don't go through this one. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ವೆಬ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ನಂದು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ what is it now? Okay, this is the link. Okay, which you see on WhatsApp. Sir, the same is visible on the front screen. Okay, you have to click on this. Okay, once you click on this, you will go to this page. Okay, now we need to click sign up. Like whatever things are there. Yadak madanantiya. Huh? ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ BTGH ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಇಮೇಲ್ ID ಇದೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳು ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ @gmail.com ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡು I'm just creating an account so that you people can just understand hands-on password dalde. Whatever password of your choice can be clicked, and now we will sign up. Okay, now here you can see there is BTGH. Over here we can see a join room, get room, and these all things. Okay, now here you have to sign out. Okay, we have signed out. Now I will make you as a ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮೆಡ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ ನಿಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೀನು password ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. Now one of the hosts which we have is making that person as an educator. Okay, now just wait for a while. Venkatesh is one of the IT programmer over here. Now BTGS has been seen. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಕೊಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. You signed in. I am able to see your name, user email ID, and your role is user at least. Okay. Now I will go and edit this and make it educator and update it. Same ways, there are many students who have joined. These are all students. Once they join, they appear as only user. We don't make them as educator. Okay. Once I make ಮಾತಾಡು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾತಾಡು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡು once I made you as an educator, now again click on this. Okay. You sign out. Now sign in as BTGH, what we did. ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡು ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಜಿಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. Now you can see the earlier was user. This is your home page where you have a class, copy, home page, create room, start. Okay. Now you need to go to the room setting and change this to BTGH class. Okay. Update the room. This appears like this over here. Now you can copy this URL. This is copied. I can send you through WhatsApp now. Like over here. I will send you to the WhatsApp in MRMC faculty itself. If you want, you can join in. This is a demo. ಎಲ್ಲಿ MRMC ಇದಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ paste over here. This is the class. If you click, you will reach the classroom which the educator is in. Okay. Once I click start, I will enter the classroom. Microphone. Look, I cannot do that. Probably Zoom is also using the same platform. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎರಡೆರಡು microphone. Okay. In this, someone has joined, Dr. Tengli sir, Dr. Viresh Korwar, Basuraj Bandi, everyone has joined. Okay. So this, how it looks, the page looks on the website. Okay. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. Thanks for coming. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, then you can take the classes through this app, as I told you earlier. Here is the plus icon, upload presentation, drag the file. Like this one. This is getting uploaded. I click upload over here. It's showing a percentage over here. This is important. Always allows presenter to download. Okay, so other students wants to download your slide, you can do that also. Once it is uploaded, it appears like this. Okay, I can change it. Next, next. Look, the lag is not there. These are only 18 to